Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishanmao here and welcome to my little man cave and more RC battery charger reviews. Today in this video I have something that's sitting here and waiting for a while, and it is on an affordable side. If you're looking for an affordable charger that does the job, you might want to look at the HTRC T400 Pro dual channel up to 400 watt power RC battery charger that can charge multiple types of batteries. And what else is good about it? It has a touch screen, no more buttons. Colorful touch screen, no more buttons. So let me bring the camera closer, talk about its features, or just show you its features, and I'm going to charge the batteries right away. I have some very small batteries to charge with it because most of my batteries are on storage level and don't want to charge them for some reason. But I do have some batteries that I want to charge them because I'm going to fly the Cavatar Cinewoop from Ishin, and other Cinewoop that requires a smaller 4S batteries. So let's get to work, shall we? So when you get the T400 from HTRC, you get the charger itself with dual channel. We'll take a closer look at it right away and then see what else comes inside the box. So you have channel 1 and channel 2 output right here. You have temperature sensors right here. You have a USB PC link right here, a fan, lots of vents here. At the back, obviously, input for your power supply from your power output, the wall outlet, on-off switch. Another fan right here. DC input connector. I have no idea why they give this connector, because normally batteries also have the similar connectors, and you will be just struggling to plug it in. There will be no way unless you change the battery connector and make it completely useless to use, or change or build a connector to power this. So I hope they can actually change, instead of female to male XT60 connector right here. Then you also have another PC link here. Why two PC link? I have no idea. Anyway, so this is this. It also has, you see this has no buttons because this is a colorful touch screen LCD right here that you will use to program or charge the batteries or set parameters. It also comes with these pre-built connectors. Okay, leads with bullet that will go here, and I will suggest be very, very cautious. Black to black, red to red, because if you made a mistake, you're gonna regret it, people. You're gonna regret it. Obviously, your charger will burn, maybe battery will also burn. And after that, you have to connect your balance port, and make sure when you're connecting the balance port, you don't push it in a wrong way, because the pins are too small, and if one pin bent, again, you're gonna have magic smoke and you're gonna have trouble. Alright, so balance ports, charging ports, and this is just like an old style balance port and charging areas. But anyway, I like it this way because having to have these actually provide better connection with the batteries. Unlike chargers which have built-in ports, not like these cable ones, and sometimes makes it difficult to connect batteries. For instance, if you take a look at this ISTD P30 charger charging 2 6S 5000 milliamp batteries with SkyRC Extreme PSU, giving it all the juice. It was difficult for me because first I had to make XT90 connectors. My batteries are using XT90, which makes it longer connector, and then cables are shorter. I was having trouble plugging the balance port. As you can see right here, they sometimes get trouble to plug the balance port. If your balance port leads are very short and your battery main leads are short, you definitely have gonna trouble to plug the batteries, and eventually you will end up making something like this, connectors with longer cables, so that you can plug your batteries easily while their balance ports are plugged. So this is this. They also give you this with the XT60 male connector, and these to go to your battery, car battery or something like that, or any other battery. So this is basically to power your charger in the field using another battery. Okay, so I've got some smaller batteries to charge 850 milliamp 4S, and these Gowning 520 milliamp 4S batteries, because I'm gonna fly my little Whoop, the X95 V2 from Beta FPV. Alright, let's turn the charger on, and we'll take a look at the screens now. You will see the channel 1, okay? You have LiPo, Li-Fe, Li-Ion, Li-HV, Ni-MH, NiCad, PB, Smart Battery, for which you need to have a separate, specialized connectors to buy. Then you have settings, memory, monitor, and language settings. So basically, it's the same things on channel 2, okay, and channel 1. And touch screen response is really very nice. You can see it's very responsive. Here we have settings, buzzer volume, we can say high, balance the speed normal, AC power 100. Oh yeah, by the way, on the AC power it just gives you 100 watt on both channel. On DC power 200 and 200 watt, total 400 on DC power. I have no idea why they did it. So channel 1 settings, channel 2 settings, all these internal temperature cutoff, external temperature cutoff, safety timer, capacity cutoff. So you can basically do all the calibration and settings right here. Okay, save and exit. I didn't change anything. Then you have memory as well, where you can basically select each of these memories and set them up. If you charge the similar type of batteries over and over again, you might want to use the memory feature. Okay, after that you have monitor, which shows when the batteries are connected. Shows the details of the batteries and the cells. Okay, so let's connect one battery and see how it goes. Right here, don't connect it wrong, please. Okay, so battery is connected. You can watch it right here. And now, if I go to, one moment, zoom in. If I go to battery monitor, I can see, this battery is almost charged. I can balance the cells right here, or get it to do complete charge. So let's click on LiPo, because we are connected. We have connected the LiPo battery. Battery cells detected 4S, N voltage, charge current 12 amps. No way, man. That's an only 850 50 milliamp battery. So I'm just gonna put it down to 1 amp. Basically, I should do 0.8 amp for this. But anyway, so let's just do 0.8 amp for this, because it's an 850 milliamp battery. Okay, you can also discharge or charge the battery, but I'd like to charge a balance, and you want to do the balance as well. Okay, and now we're gonna press start. You can see the charger basically shows a very nice screen where you can see a graph is being built of the charging the charger is doing. Okay, you can also click on cell and see the cells just like this, as you have watched just now. Okay, I'll go back to this area where you can see external, internal temperature, input voltage, of the battery, current this is supplied to the battery, and capacity that. So now I have 2 batteries connected, okay, and I'm gonna go to channel 2, LiPo, 4S, not 12 amp, please. I will cut down on amps to 0.8, okay, 4.2 volt maximum 4S battery, start. Now let's see the cells of these batteries is also almost charged, okay, and I can always go to channel 1 and see how the charging going there, see the cells, channel 2, see the cells. You might want to keep it right here because it's much more pretty to see, but if you want to get complete info of charging and stuff like that, you can come back to this screen. Okay, so these 2 batteries are charging. Once again, please keep in mind, watch the batteries while you're charging, and keep something like this near. This is a metal box, so if anything happens, you see a battery swelling, hissing, or smoke, immediately toss the battery in the metal box and take it out of the danger area, take it to a safer place. Okay, I just heard the beep at this channel 1, and it shows the battery has been charged. As you can see, all the cells are full. Okay, so you can go back, you can stop, back, your channel 1 is charged, you can now disconnect the battery safely. So basically it's doing a very good job on 0.8 amp even, charging really very nice. Now basically, now after charging, you might want to see how the charging went. So I'm gonna connect this voltmeter, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1. So So basically the battery is charged 97%, and here we have the beeps from the charger. The second battery is charged as well. Cells, yes, good. So I'm gonna stop it, back, and I'm gonna disconnect the battery. And you can see the battery is 98% charged. 4.18, 4.18, 4.17, 4.18. So why not 100%? I'm not sure. Maybe because my batteries are older. I might want to charge 2 more batteries, which are slightly brand new, just used twice to fly the quadcopters. And we'll see how it looks. I will also charge these batteries with an ISTD charger, and we will see the difference if the charger is not properly doing its job, or it's something wrong with the batteries. Maybe batteries are old. But to me, if a battery is charged up to 98%, I will still use it. You know, it does the job basically. So all in all, the charger actually working very well, and it's doing its job as it's supposed to do. Could be you can do calibration properly if you really want to see 100% values on the voltmeters. But honestly speaking, even high-end chargers like P30 with extreme power supply unit, sometimes you might not get 100% battery charge. It is 100% charged right when it's connected and, you know, balanced, but as soon as you remove it from the charger, it might start dropping the current, and it might start dropping the volts and its charge levels depending on the battery cell chemistry or battery cell state or the battery condition or the age of the battery. Okay, now I'm charging 2 more batteries. These are GN 3 gallon batteries, 520 milliamp 4S, and we will see how things go. This battery is almost charged. It's on 4 volts on each cell, and this battery, if you look at it, the cell values, this is 3.7, 3.7, 3.7, and how the cells are going to fill up with the power. Okay, another battery just got charged. All right, I'll just go back, stop, back. So that was channel 2, 520 milliamp battery on 6.6 amp, and it was already more than half charged, almost full, so it's fully charged. Now I'm gonna see with the voltmeter right here, and it is showing 99% charged. Very nice. See what I'm talking about? So it's actually battery chemistry and the age of battery as well. Here I can see 4.2, 4.195, 4.2, 4.2. So one of the cells probably, you know, angry or not doing its job. But that proves that the charger is actually doing very well. Now, these batteries, which right after charging, are showing me 98%, not fully charged. I mean, fully charged, but 98% for those perfectionists who want 100% charge. I'm going to charge it with the ISTD 608 AC. Okay, so connect it right here and right there. Okay, and current, I'll just put it down to 850 mAh, so 0.8. Charge started. It should be very, very quick because it's already charged. We just want to see if it goes to 100% or not. But once again, do remember, I'm standing right here on top of the head of the batteries, watching these batteries charge, and obviously also watching these 2 big batteries charged by the ISTD P30, which is obviously a very expensive charger, high-end charger with an expensive power supply right there. So $189 I believe, and $107, that is like almost $300 right there, versus an affordable charger. Okay, so ISDT has charged the battery, and I can see the cells values 4.2, 4.2, 4.2, 4.2, all 4S. And this is the battery after charging. With this charger, it shows 98% charged and 4.1 on each cell. So now we have charged with an ISDT charger, which people say it's better than the other chargers. So we'll check right here. And you can see now it's charged to 99%. Okay, 4.195, 4.2, 4.195, 4.189, and I'm sure it's back to 98%. So basically, this is not the charger's fault. This charger is doing its job properly. And the same battery I charged on the other charger as well, and it also goes to 98%. So basically this is the batteries which are aging, and the cell chemistry or cell state is actually not in the right capacity or right way. So to say, this charger is doing its job very well. Just now you have seen a new battery was actually charged. I mean, not brand new. I mean, not completely brand new. Once or twice used, the battery was fully charged to 99%. So that proves the charger is doing a very good job. Thank you very much for watching the video review of HTRC T400 Pro dual RC battery charger, which can charge multiple types of batteries. But if you want to know how the charger actually worked over time, you might want to talk to me in 1 or 2 months after I've used this charger for this period of time and charged multiple different types of batteries, and I'll be able to report back how well the charger is doing. And this one, T400 Pro, is actually delivering the similar kind of performance that I have expected from this charger. So if you're looking for a good bargain right there for charging multiple different types of batteries or RC Lipo batteries, charge, discharge, or balance charge, you might want to look at HTRC T400. If you're looking something on a more higher scale, more higher end, more professionality, more accuracy, more reliability, and you will have more money in your pocket, you want to go for the ISTD P30 and Extreme PSU power supply unit by HTRC.